Woodpecker's new Cross Dowel Drilling Jig makes using cross dowels easier than ever. No more costly misaligned holes or incorrect spacing. With this simple drill guide and a 1/4 inch and 7/16 drill bits, you'll be able to drill both holes in perfect intersecting alignment. The Woodpeckers drill guide features 2 screw length offsets for different dowel locations. Properly created cross dowel joints have incredible clamping force and great shear strength. They can be made with standard hardware as well as cosmetically professional looking connector bolts in a variety of finishes. This high quality American made tool is designed for use with 1024 or 1/4 20 fasteners to make a great finish.